This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 miles. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, and remote keyless entry. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.